Before we get started, I want to show you how to turn on and configure the voice recognition system that's built into Mac OS X that we'll be using with QromaTag. So I'm going to go to my System Preferences and then tap on the keyboard control. And then right here in the last tab, it says Dictation. And what I want to do is make sure that the dictation is turned on. And then over here to my left, I have a choice of microphones that I can use. And I can use my internal microphone, the display audio, but I'm using the external microphone, so I'm just going to select that. Then the shortcut that invokes the voice recognition system can be configured here. Now the default is to use the function key twice, which is what I like to do, and I'm going to leave it there. But you can actually go in here and customize that if you want. Finally, the last thing we'll talk about is this option here called Use Enhanced Dictation, and I'm going to tell you why I have that turned off. So here's my contacts, and I've added two names of two Premier League football players, and I read online that these were the two hardest names to say, so I've added them to my contact names, and I'm going to go in here and just use this text field to invoke the speech recognition and just try to say their names and see what comes out. So let me go ahead and do that. Toby Alderweireld and Sieb Dijkstra. Okay, so it recognized their names pretty well, even though I'm pretty sure I didn't say them right. If I turn this on though, however, let's see what happens. Toby Alderweireld and Sieb Dijkstra. It didn't do such a great job, did it? Let's try it one more time. Toby Alderweireld and Sieb Dijkstra. There you go. So leaving this turned off will give you much better name recognition when you use QromaTag.